Legend of the Wolf? Yeah, I think that stuff's pretty stupid. I mean, how can a wolf begin to... Give me a second. What was that noise? Oh, Jesus! Don't go! It's gone. It's gone. Okay. Probably just hallucinating. I haven't gotten a good sleep the past 2 nights. Well, let's go to bed then. Good night.
Later that night, when everyone was fast asleep,
Good morning. What is going on? Oh my gosh, she is missing. Are you kidding me? I need to go find her right now. Oh my gosh, I don't know what's going on. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. This is scary. Is she in the bathroom? Is she in here? Is she in here? Is she in here? Is she in here? Is she in my bed? Is she over here? Is she over here? I see the light. There's a foot. Oh my gosh, that is her. Is she dead? I hope not. Or else I will be mad. What's happened to her? What? Are you kidding me? This is...
and that's what happens when you don't believe in the legend of the wolf.